In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in menu on WordPress. If you're running an online store, making your product categories easy to find in your site's navigation is a simple way to help shoppers get to what they want faster. Today, we'll add those categories right into your main menu using the built-in WordPress tools, so there's no extra setup needed. Start by opening your WordPress website dashboard. This is the control panel where you manage your site. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Appearance. That's where WordPress keeps the tools that control how your site looks and how your navigation is organized. Click Appearance and then click Menus. This opens the menu screen, which is split into two main areas. On the right, GAEA, you'll see your current menu structure, and on the left, you'll find different types of content you can add to the menu. Now, scroll down on the left side and go to Product Categories. This section lists the categories from your store, such as shirts, accessories, or whatever you've set up in your shop. Adding these to your menu creates direct links to filtered product archives, which is ideal for shoppers who know exactly what kind of item they're after. To add them quickly, click Select All. This selects every available product category in one go. Then click Add to Menu. WordPress will place those categories into your menu structure on the right. You'll see each category appear as its own menu item, ready to be displayed on your site's navigation. At this point, the changes are staged, but they're not live yet. To make everything official, click Save Menu. Saving is important. Until you do, the changes won't show on your site. Once the save completes, your menu is updated. Now it's time to check your work. Visit your site and look at your navigation menu. You should see your product categories listed there, ready for visitors to click. On desktop, they'll appear across the top navigation bar. On mobile, they'll be available inside the mobile menu toggle. Clicking a category takes you straight to that category's product listing, making browsing smooth and intuitive. A few quick tips as you review. Think about how many categories you really want in the main menu, since clarity helps customers find what they need quickly. Also, consider how your category names read in the navigation. Short, descriptive labels often work best. That's it. You've added your product categories to your WordPress menu, making your store easier to navigate and more shopper-friendly.